Hi, welcome to 5 TopQue channel. In this video, I'll give you 5 top recommendation espresso coffee machines you should buy in 2021. Here we go. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine. Cafe quality results. Indulge in espresso, cappuccinos and lattes right at home using either espresso pods or ground espresso. 15-bar Italian pump supplies the pressure necessary for excellent extraction and rich crema. Easy setup, no fiddling with brew heads in hard-to-access areas. Just slide the patented slide and lock portafilter into place from the front of the machine and lock it on the side. Swiveling steam wand lets you steam and froth milk for cappuccinos and lattes. Cup warmer keeps cups warm until serving time. Tip: let your espresso machine run for 15 to 20 seconds before removing your cup. If using the single serving filter, this yields 1 to 1.5 ounces of espresso. If using the double serving filter, this yields 2 to 3 ounce espresso. You can get this product for $109.85. Number 2. Gevi Espresso Machine. Semi-automatic 2-in-1 espresso machine, 15-bar professional imported Italian pump, with 1100 W powerful pressure to extract coffee, which makes the coffee can release the best flavors. It is easy to form beautiful coffee crema and a smooth taste. Frothing milk for cappuccino and latte by hot steam wand. The steam wand can adjust the amount of steam and rotate 360 degrees, which can produce silky and smooth milk foam better. The professional frothing wand mixes steam and milk in order to create a rich, dense and creamy froth for every drinks. With an accurate dual temperature control system, the temperature of water and the taste of milk foam, coffee and milk can be adjusted to achieve the ideal state. Make sure to extract coffee at 198 degrees Fahrenheit and steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The double volume boiler can produce more hot water and steam. Separated transparent water tank for easy water level checking. SUS 304 stainless steel nipple, healthy and easy to clean. The portafilter has a double layer filter and a double cup splitter, which can make 2 cups of espresso at once. Number 3. Calphalon TempIQ Espresso Machine. 15-bar Italian pump delivers the right amount of pressure for maximum flavor extraction and produces a beautiful layer of crema for your espresso. Dial interface for selecting steam, hot water, and pre-programmed single and double shots. 58mm cafe-sized portafilter holds more grounds and ensures even water dispersion and extraction for robust flavor. Thermoblock heating technology and PID temperature control delivers even heat for consistently great tasting espresso, and pre-infusion gently blooms the espresso grounds for optimally extracted espresso. Removable 2.0 L water reservoir with hinged lid for easy filling. Cup warming tray for espresso-ready cups and steam wand froths milk for creating cappuccinos, lattes, and other drinks, just like in coffee shops. You can get this product for $256.99. You can get this product for $129.99. Number 4. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. You can get this product for $599.99. The Breville Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Dose control grinding. Integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste with any roasted bean. Optimal water pressure. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Number 5. Hipresso Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine. You can get this product for $999. Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Maker bean-to-cup feature with one-touch brewing and frothing for 11 varieties, meeting different preference in your coffee. No matter at home or in office, you get it all. You can also get a customized coffee by adjusting the volume and length of grounds, coffee, temperature, milk foam at a touch of few buttons. Programmable. This coffee maker comes with a super large 7 inches HD touchscreen with programmable brewing options for espresso, lungo, americano, latte cappuccinos, macchiatos, latte macchiato, flat white, hot water, warm milk, milk foam, as well as automatic clean system. Well, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for supports our channel.